Recochem's journey began in 1951, when the Record Chemical Company was founded in Montreal, Canada. It all started with mothballs, but over the years, we expanded our product range, becoming a global leader in automotive fluids and household chemicals. In the next 2 decades, Recochem opened locations across Canada, producing various solvent solutions and automotive fluids. By 1975, we extended our reach to Australia, setting up a production facility and establishing a global presence. During the 80s, Recochem underwent a rebranding, emphasizing reliability and trustworthiness. We made the automotive portfolio a strategic priority, introducing windshield washer fluid, RV plumbing antifreeze, and automotive coolant antifreeze. To meet the growing demand, we equipped our facilities with state-of-the-art blow molders, boosting efficiency and packaging fluids faster. The 90s saw further expansion with an additional facility in Australia to support trading and import operations. In 1997, Recochem made a significant acquisition, solidifying our position in the automotive fluids market. We invested in a cutting-edge laboratory in Edmonton, Alberta, dedicated to innovative product development and customer support. The automotive offering flourished, introducing national-branded antifreeze coolants under the Turbo Power brand and private label antifreeze coolants available in major retailers and gas stations. With continued growth and international expansion, Recochem became a global player, spreading our products across the USA, South America, Europe, Middle East, and Asia. In 2010, Recochem expanded further into the diesel exhaust market, investing in a massive facility in the Greater Toronto Area to meet customer demand for DEF. This strategic move quickly made Recochem a leader in the DEF market. The years that followed saw various acquisitions like Laurentide, UltraClear, Adams Polishes, B&B Blending, AutoChem, and Cost USA, further strengthening Recochem's position in the automotive industry. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, Recochem showed resilience, ensuring the safety of its employees while meeting customer demands without interruption. Moreover, Recochem was deemed an essential business, keeping people safe on the road and stepping up by producing sanitizer to address the demand. With over 1,000 employees worldwide, Recochem's success is attributed to the dedication and hard work of its team. In 2021, Recochem proudly celebrated its 70th anniversary, with celebrations across all divisions, highlighting the shared achievements and milestones of the past 7 decades. With 3 innovation centers across the Americas and 16 manufacturing sites worldwide, Recochem's expanding global vision is unparalleled. Strategic alliances with esteemed supply chain partners and key automotive OE suppliers have further strengthened Recochem's position in the industry. Today, Recochem stands as a leader in innovation, backed by consumer research and R&D expertise. Our power brands like OEM, Shell, Turbo Power, Engine Ice, HD Expert, Winterproof, Rain X, Adams Polishes, Core 15, Solvable offer premium solutions and meet unmet needs in the market. In 2023, Recochem reached a remarkable milestone, generating over $1 billion in revenue. We are on track to double our business in the next 5 years, driven by exceptional strategy, flawless execution, and phenomenal people. Recochem is leading the way, providing global thermal management, emission control, appearance, safety, and household solutions that protect consumers and the environment. Recochem continues to secure your journey with our commitment to innovation, reliability, and trustworthiness. Recochem, securing your journey.